Hi boys and girls. So today we're going to be working on combining two-dimensional shapes. The essential question here is how can you put two-dimensional shapes together to make a new two-dimensional shape? So before we begin, we're going to review a few of our shapes. This is a triangle. We have a rhombus, trapezoid, hexagon, and a square. Okay, just to take a look. So our question today here says, you're going to have to use some of our shapes here, but if you don't have any, that's okay. You can use the drawings from the beginning of the chapter to help you out, all right? So these are a few of our shapes that we're gonna be using for our lesson today. It says here, Karen has some pattern blocks. She puts two triangles together. Draw a new shape Karen could make. So I'm going to take my two triangles and put them together. Does this shape look similar to something that you've seen before? I'm gonna give you a second to take a look. If you said rhombus, that's correct. So a rhombus looks like this, boys and girls. And if you put the rhombus on top of the two triangles, it matches. So I'm going to give you a minute to draw your two triangles. I will be doing it with you, so you can take a look how it's supposed to look. So I'm going to trace my triangles here. Okay. And trace my other triangle. All right. So it becomes a rhombus. All right. Now I'm going to give you a second to take a look, complete this problem, and then we'll move on. All right. Okay, let's move on. So it says here, how many, what shape is this, boys and girls? It is a, let's go back to our little chart here, a trapezoid. So how many trapezoids do you need to make a hexagon? All right. So it shows that you need two of these shapes to make one of these. All right. So I'm going to trace the number 2. Okay. And you can see that when you put two of these together, on the top, on the bottom, it makes one hexagon. All right. So now let's move on to number 1. It says here, how many, what is this shape? Let's go back. Ooh, it's a rhombus. So how many rhombuses make a hexagon? So I'm going to take my hexagon shape out. Okay. And I'm going to use some of my rhombuses and I'm going to put it on top of this shape here. So I want to show you that you have to fill it in to see how many fit into one shape. So I put 1, 2, and I have a third one. So 3 rhombuses equals 1 hexagon. Do you see that? So it's like this, okay? So now I'm gonna give you a minute to draw this shape for me, okay? I'll do it with you. So I'm gonna take this a little bit apart and I'm going to trace it the best as I can. So this is our first rhombus, our second rhombus. Now, if you don't have it, that's okay. You can try your best and just draw the hexagon and then draw the lines on the inside, all right? Okay, so I have 1, 2, 3. So you have 3 rhombuses to make 1 hexagon, all right? So now our next problem here says how many triangles make a trapezoid? So remember, this is a trapezoid. The red one is a trapezoid. And you're going to see how many triangles you'll be needing, all right? So you're going to need, let's see, 1, 2, and 3. All right. So you have 3 triangles to make this trapezoid. I'm going to take it down and I'm going to show you right here. Do you see that? Isn't that really cool, guys? So now I'm going to take this apart and I'm going to trace the triangles. All right. So it's 1 triangle, 2 triangles, and 3 triangles. All right. I'm going to label it here. 1, 2, 3. So you need 3 triangles to make 1 trapezoid. Ta-da! Isn't that really cool? So now your job, boys and girls, is to do the next page all by yourself, page 685, 686, and then also finish the homework part, all right? 687 and 688. When you're done, upload it onto Class Dojo and your teacher is going to check in, all right? Have a great day.